Animals live in so many different places. Some live in the jungle, some in the ocean, and some even in the desert.
Wait, do animals have houses like us? With doors and windows? Ha 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 ha, not exactly, Max. But they do have homes that keep them safe. Let's explore where animals live. Welcome to the jungle. This is home to animals like monkeys, tigers, and parrots.
Monkeys live in trees, swinging from branch to branch.
And tigers? Where do they live? Hopefully far away from me. Tigers live in caves or hidden grass spots, so they can stay safe and sneak up on their food. Whoa! Tigers are sneaky ninjas.
The desert is super hot, but some animals love it here.
Like camels, they store fat in their humps to survive without food and water for a long time. And that lizard? That's a desert lizard. It hides under the sand to stay cool. Maybe I should try that next summer. Now let's dive underwater. The ocean is home to fish, dolphins, and even sharks. But fish don't need houses? Nope, the ocean is their home. Some fish hide in coral reefs and crabs live in shells. I want a crab house! Can I live in a shell too? Ha 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 ha! Only if you become a crab, Max!
Animals have amazing homes. Trees, caves, oceans, deserts. Each animal lives where it can survive best.
That's right. Every animal's home helps it stay safe and find food. So if I lived in the ocean, I would be a fish?
Or a crab in a shell.
All right, call me Max the Crab. Thanks for exploring animal homes with us. See you next time.